Holy fuck. Holy shit. Wow. The car chase went bad. Damn. Damn. Fucking hey. Fucking SUV still running. Yeah.
Hey, can you get out of here, please? You're going to be running the dog that way, and I don't need you in the way.
What the?
In the car. That's it. Hey, Joe, we're going to be running the dog this way. I need you to go.
Now don't cross the street, please.
Okay.
Please don't cross the street, please.
Yeah.
Do you understand the words that we are saying?
What?
We are running the dog, and you are messing up the scent. Stay out of the way.
Yeah. Hey, I'm well over 10 feet away. Well over. Cops are trying to tell me I have to leave. Damn. Cops galore. Holy hell. Damn. Cops got his gun out. Damn. They're searching for somebody. I heard the crash from my house, so I came out with my videotape. Wow. Wish I would have saw the accident, but I didn't. cross the street because they told me to. Almost hit the building, but he didn't get there, so that's good. Yeah. I got the dog out because they're going to search for the person. So, yeah. He ain't going to smell me. Somebody ran and they didn't catch him. Pretty dog. The wind is harsh. Oh no. Yeah. 10 minutes of excitement on the south side. Yeah. Damn. Damn.
So did the guy run or what?
Did you get the shots?
Yep.
We did too. Out my window all the way down there.
Yeah. Fuck. Damn.
So did the guy run or what happened?
Yeah, I think the guy ran.
Did he?
I think so.
Who shot who?
I don't know. I just heard the bang and
Yeah.
guns go off and everything. So, damn. Oh, holy shit. Well, there's 10 minutes of excitement. At least I can zoom on my videos on anyway. So that's good.
They went through over here somewhere in
Yep.
between these two houses, the house on the corner and then the second house.
Yeah.
And I ain't seen them come back yet.
All I know is I came out of my alley and I saw somebody running that way, but I didn't know if they were running from somebody or not. But
Yeah, it was running from the police.
yeah. Come on, people. We have people rolling down the fucking road to go see what's going on. As usual. Yeah. Catch some more. Move to the other side. Oh, they're just pulling up on us. Damn. More people. And they're down in the houses looking for them, I guess. So we'll see what happens if they come back with somebody or not. They got the dogs out, so.
I ain't saying nobody leaves. So.
Yeah, me neither.
Ain't no police left yet. They ain't got nobody good.
Yeah, but your boyfriend, you better turn him in. Oh. Being a smart ass. I can be, I guess. Oh, damn. Didn't even have time to grab a cigarette. Shit.
You see this? This
Huh.
is luxury. Being able to lean.
That's what I love about nice new smartphones. I'm videotaping. And I can videotape the man right there walking by a smashed up vehicle. Like it's right here. Cops don't like it when you can do this either. They're like, oh, really?
Just give me one truck. We'll put a hitch on that bitch and I'll just pull it right out.
Yeah, the tow truck's here. But they're trying to figure out, I think, how to get it out. Everybody's parking tires. Yeah.
They're busy.
Catch y'all on video. You'll be in trouble. Have to notify the officer.
License plate number and registration.
Okay, let's zoom back out. I love that view because then I can catch it all. Everybody. Alright, it's getting boring now. I'll give you another 2 minutes on my video anyway. So, make it about 15 minutes long. I already got 11 minutes, now I'll add another 2. They've calmed down now because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cops here when there was like 15. I got 15 of them on video. They circled, go for gas like it was a crime scene. You should have seen the people standing out here earlier. The whole fucking side of the building was full of Somalian people watching the cops going, what are you doing?
From there? Or
Yeah,
here?
from the building. It's like they came out of New York Gyro and just stood on the side of the wall. And I was like, holy hell, where'd they all come from, Bang, bang, bang.
Oh.
I love it. My camera tells me when I quick launch it. Collin Brothers, my favorite tow company. You guys are cool. Yeah, it's gonna watch the tow truck rip the truck out of the side of a building. At least he didn't hit the building.
Right.
He was close, but
they were probably stuck there.
at least where he hit would have been only the stairs. So that's good.
Oh, yep. Unless he drove towards... I have a feeling he tried to drive up and go around.
I think he lost it coming around the corner. He came around basically because the way it sounded like a thump. I don't think he came around. I think he came by the liquor store and jetted right up. And I think he didn't make it right over here.
Or if not, fucking...
Because you think,
fucked him up.
right? Because you think about it, that thing hits the median, does a jump, and then smashes up into the wall.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way it looks to me. But I might be wrong. I don't know.
But then he went over another curb. He went over so many fucking curbs.
Yeah. Just
I'm
fucking.
surprised his tires are holding there.
It's 4-wheel drive.
So
Can
is
take a
mine,
beating.
But if you're fucking running from the cops and
Oh, but
you're
I-
trying to get away,
I've seen some trucks jump curbs and just keep going. Just crazy. I actually seen a guy with a two-wheel drive Ford pickup that gave the cops a run for their money, big time. Because they couldn't go where he went, even with a two-wheel drive, because the independent front suspension, fucking curbs didn't make nothing. It just blam, blam, blam. I was like, holy hell, you know. That was down by Minneapolis. That was kind of fun. But in Minneapolis, they're all running. Somebody wants to run from the fucking cops. You know? You don't know why. No driver's license, so they don't want to pull over. I'm like, I pulled over every time, even without a driver's license. You know, it's like, you know.